name's Wildfire. He's great on paper. He's a real beauty, but they couldn't get him to win a race to save his life. It's a shame, too. He cost a fortune.
I'm sure I'll be able to whip him into shape. Let's take him out.
Maybe we should wait a few days. He's pretty jumpy.
What's wrong with him?
Easy.
Maybe we should wait a few days.
Why do cops even need horses?
Whole world's not paved in asphalt, Furillo. Sometimes police need to go where cars can't.
I don't think a horse would have caught me in the car I took.
Afternoon, Pablo.
Officer, ladies. Okay, I know I've been promising for a while, but you didn't get to ride today.
Cool.
Head over to the pavilion. Excuse me, where are you going?
What do you mean? You said we're gonna ride.
Well, they're riding. They've been coming for a while. You're new. New girl starting the stalls, shoveling.
Something what?
Manure. 20 stalls. Better get started. Watch out for this guy, Wildfire. He's dangerous.
You're dangerous, huh? Boo. Gross. What? Jeez, man. What, are you trying to give me a heart attack? Calm down. I don't like it here either, but acting like a baby's not gonna change anything. Wildfire, yeah. See, they found the right name. Now you're acting calm. This a trick so you can lure me in and kick me in the head? You're just scared, huh? Sorry I yelled at you. What do you want? Oh, you're looking for these, huh? You like these? Yeah? Yeah? Nutrition. First night's the worst. It gets better after that, I promise.
Looks like you made a new friend. Bus is waiting. Did a good job today.
Thanks.